Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and if you're looking to replace your old toothbrush with an electric toothbrush, then check out this electric toothbrush from AGPTEK. One of my favorite things is that it also functions as a water flosser. Another cool thing about this toothbrush is that it has 5 different modes. While brushing your teeth, it also has a 2-minute auto shut off, so that you know you're brushing your teeth for the right amount of time. The reservoir or the tank that it comes with is small and compact and also allows you to use it as a stand for your toothbrush. This toothbrush is rechargeable and it's really easy to use. To power on the toothbrush, simply hold the brush option down. I love that it has light indicators that make it easy to see what mode, speed, or even when you're charging your toothbrush. It comes with 4 different toothbrush heads. A really neat feature is that you can store some of the toothbrush heads at the top of the reservoir tank. This setup is so thoughtfully designed so that you can save space on your counter and have your toothbrush easily accessible. So if you're looking for something that's lightweight, easy to hold, has multiple mode options and speed options, and also can function as a water flosser, then I would highly recommend this electric toothbrush from AGPTEK. And that's our point of view.